Welcome, in front of me is BIGME HiBreak Pro, and in this video I will show you what to do if your fingerprint sensor doesn't recognize your fingerprint properly. First, let's go into settings and set up a new fingerprint for our device. So once you're in settings, open password in security, then select fingerprint, confirm. And if you have any previously installed fingerprints, delete them before adding a new one. Click add fingerprint, and before you do that, use a dry towel to wipe the surface of your fingerprint scanner to make sure that it reads the fingerprint clearly. Take your time. You can also brush it gently. And then, when you're ready, proceed by adding a new fingerprint to your device. Touch the sensor with different parts of your finger. And once you're done, click done. And then before we proceed, let's go back into settings. Scroll down to System, then go to System Update, check for update, and if you have any updates to install, then take your time and do this. And just before we proceed, let's go back to the home screen, and then let's turn off the device by holding down the power key. Select reboot and wait until your device restarts, just so we know that all the changes applied. So let's wait. Okay, and when the phone is restarted, let's first unlock it using the screen lock, password, and then let's try to use our fingerprint to unlock the device. And as you can see, everything went pretty smoothly for me, and I hope that it did for you too. And if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.